Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make barcode on Spotify song. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see there are options like all, music, podcasts, home, search, and your library. All you have to do is play the song, choose the song from the search bar or your library, or open the song you've been playing recently. Now tap on that share button at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, select the copy link. Once you copy the link, all you have to do is go to your preferred web browser and type in spotifycodes.com. Now there you can see an empty box where they are asking you to enter a Spotify URL to get started. Now all you have to do is paste that link. You just copy it and tap on get Spotify code. Tap on agree, then on your screen you can see you'll get that barcode. All you have to do is tap on download, select the format, size, bar color and background color and download it. And guys, that's it. That's how you get barcodes on Spotify songs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.